Personality is a typical pattern of thinking, feeling, and behaviors that makes a person unique. We all possess certain personality traits that set us apart from the rest. These traits define how we react and respond to the situations and people. Conventional belief says that these traits are permanent or fixed and hence can be changed, but studies reflect otherwise. Studies have confirmed that these traits can be changed provided you want to change them. And this is how the term personality development came into existence. Personality development quintessentially means enhancing and grooming one's inner and outer self in order to bring a positive change in one's life. Each individual has a distinct persona that can be developed, polished, and refined. This process involves developing or integrating any of the traits in one's personality. The whole process of personality development takes place over a period of time. Even though there are many courses in personality development that are made available at various platforms, implementing this to your routine and bringing about a positive change in yourself takes a considerable amount of time. Personality development is often confused with enhancing your dressing sense, building a good physique, or just gaining proficiency over English language. A person who dresses well and speaks fluent English isn't necessarily supposed to have a good personality. Personality development is an all-round development. It doesn't happen in a day, it happens over time. There are multiple characteristics that need to be worked upon while developing one's personality. So let's check out some tips for enhancing the typical characteristics and attributes that add to your overall personality. Being confident about who you are and what you do is the most important tip for personality development. Never doubt your capabilities and judgment. And if you ever think that something needs to be worked upon, then put in your best efforts so that you can overcome your fears and gain confidence. Read success stories and surround yourself with motivational thoughts. And yes, people around you and in your life have a huge influence on your self-confidence. So surround yourself with positive people. The way you speak reflects who you are. So be polite and gentle with your words and always think before you speak. It's an essential element of a good communication. Effective communication is not only about what to say, but how to say is equally important. So pay attention to the style, clarity, and tone of your communication for best possible articulation and enunciation. English, being a globally accepted language, is preferred everywhere. So work on your English proficiency and always use simple words in general interaction to avoid any confusion and misunderstanding. Always follow your passion and do what interests you. It gives you a direction and a destination and guide you to where you ultimately want to be in life. We are living in an incredible time where you can pursue whatever it is that you are passionate about and likely turn it into some form of living. When you pursue something you are truly passionate about, your motivation and enthusiasm get you through all of the inevitable setbacks and curveballs that life throws at you. Following your passion is the ultimate way to ensure that you have a long-lasting success, and it is a key to the mastery in your craft. And being the master of your craft is what makes your personality stand out. You bring your self-esteem down by comparing yourself with others. Comparison shrivels your personality and does not let your strength blossom. Accept that you are unique and incomparable, and expressing that uniqueness is what makes you interesting. Never ever try to be something that you are not in order to fit in a situation. Instead, try to be the best version of yourself. The only person you should try to get better than is who you were yesterday, and do not miss any chance to reinvent yourself along the way. Positive outlook towards everything. Nobody wants to be around who is negative and complaining all the time. Nobody wants to live or work with a pessimist. When you encounter a failure, let go of the assumption that you are the unluckiest person in the whole world. Be positive and optimistic all the time. Positivity starts with one's mind. Thinking positively about yourself allows you to do the best of everything you attempt. So you need to stop listening to negativity. Whenever you have a negative thought, quickly replace it with a positive one, and when you have that positive thought, turn it into action. In absence of goals in your life, you are bound to drift around. No matter how hard you work, you don't seem to get anywhere worthwhile. Such an adrift individual is far from having a good personality. So use the power of your imagination and figure out your purpose in life. Just think of it, imagination has put man on the moon. In the similar fashion, your imagination can put you where you ultimately want to be in life. All you need to do is set goals. When you have well-defined goals that connect you to your innermost desire, you feel positive, enthusiastic, motivated, persistent, and focused. All of these are strong traits of a strong personality. Your body language speaks volume about you. Your posture, gesture, eye contact, and facial expression are the key components of your body language. Studies reflect that 55% of communication comes from body language, so try to make use of positive gestures and maintain eye contact while interacting with others. And let that contagious smile play on your face all the time. Your body posture is the key indicator of how you feel about yourself. Standing tall with your feet wider apart, chest up, and shoulders back makes you appear confident and bold to others. Learning skills in any individual are highly desirable. So you should have that zeal to learn new things in your personal and professional life. This reflects your enthusiasm. Don't let yourself make the same mistake over and over again. It's quite natural to make mistakes in the learning process, but the best thing one can do is to learn from them. Be an enthusiastic listener. Listening is an essential part of communication. It helps you to see the things from the eyes of others and provide you with an immense opportunities to learn a lot from your surroundings. Mental presence is must to be an active listener. So try to get away from any possible distraction while interacting with anyone. How do you feel when someone listens to you intently? Obviously, it makes you feel important. So you provide the same feeling to others by being an active listener. So learn to be an intent listener to achieve an engaging personality. You can develop a warm personality by having a good sense of humor. Everyone enjoys the company of someone who makes them laugh and smile. A good sense of humor is an excellent icebreaker in any situation, and we all like people with whom we can easily mingle and talk to. Nobody likes a person who responds with a straight face. So learn to be humorous, be warm, and flash that smile more often. When you can add fun to an otherwise dull and bland environment, people are naturally attracted to you. It's an old saying that a sound body has a sound mind. It's pretty difficult to maintain a good personality with a sick body, mind, and soul. A perfect physical, mental, and emotional health is a key ingredient of an attractive personality. If you work on it, you can easily attain it. Learning how to sleep well, eat right, maintain personal hygiene, reduce stress, dress appropriately, and take time when you need are the touchstone of self-care and help you to stay fit physically, mentally, and emotionally. Knowledge is power. So another component of improving your personality is empowering yourself with knowledge. The more knowledgeable you are, the more confident and competent you feel. Nobody is impressed with someone who doesn't even know what is happening in the world. Therefore, it is essential to enrich your knowledge and be the master of your craft. To update your knowledge, go through the newspaper every day, read popular and good books, and interact with intelligent and knowledgeable people. Your knowledge makes you interesting to others, helps you to have an opinion, and makes you a great conversationalist. All of these are powerful traits of a powerful personality. Kindness is one of the most appealing and touching traits of your personality. You tend to touch everyone's heart with your kindness. Kindness is being nice, helpful, indulgent, and generous, giving your support to those who are in need. Just imagine, how do you feel when someone goes out of their way to help you out? You feel great about that person. And how do you feel when you support someone in need? It makes you feel good about yourself. So when it comes to winning people, kindness is a secret weapon. Situation always do not fit in your frame of perfection. Often this makes one agitated and angry, eventually diminishing the strength of their personality. So find your peace amidst world's flaws, even if you strive to make a change. Do not overthink and overanalyze. Neither let any negativity such as anger, shame, jealousy, greed stay in your consciousness for too long. Instead, learn to take it easy, forgive easily, and drop grudges against people as soon as they pop up. Being light in heart and mind makes you a truly happy person from within, and who doesn't like a happy person? Nobody is born with a radiant and vibrant personality. Everyone has some flaws, but you can always work on it to improve your personality. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a like. Consider subscribing to the channel and press the bell notification to be the first one to know when I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.